on testing. Hi everyone, welcome to the second YouTube video. As promised from before, today we're going to be doing a bitten lip effect, and I'm going to show you how to do that with minimal makeup. So the first one being a lip liner. As you remember, this lip liner from Morphe. So I'm just going to roughly outline my lip. Oh. Okay, we've got it. I'm gonna roughly outline my lip. Mind you, we're out in the streets, so everything is kind of doing it really quickly, especially if you want to quickly fix your lip and go. And then smudge the lip. Next, we're gonna go in with a MAC red lipstick, and this is in the shade Fireballer. So now we're going to apply the red lipstick towards the center of the lip outward. After applying it on the center of your lip, you're gonna smudge it with your finger. Remember to focus on the center of your lip. Mind you, we're not applying too much of it. So that's done. The next thing we're gonna do is take a piece of tissue that you have and kind of pinch your lips together on the tissue to remove the excess color, because we don't want a bold red lip. So next we're gonna go in with the MAC lip gloss, which is more of a lip oil. And this is in the shade Maraschino. And we're gonna apply this at the center of the lip as well, focusing it on the center of the lip. Okay, and then we're going to smudge our lips together only at the center of the lip. So after applying the MAC lip gloss, we're going in with our tissue to remove the excess gloss, because we don't want it to be too glossy. I think once is enough, or twice. Okay. Lastly, we're going in with the Clarins Lip Perfector. It acts like a lip gloss. It has a very almost pinky hue, but it doesn't fade off throughout the day. That's one thing I really like about it. And we're going in towards the outline of the lip very lightly. So there we have it. This is the bitten lip effect. As you can see, we have a more deeper red look towards the center of the lip, and then you kind of outline with a gloss for the overall finish. Everyone has their own technique, but I feel this is really sexy and looks fantastic with the look, especially under the sun. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.